What's going on, guys? Ah, there's Derek. Alright, there's Derek right now. He's pulling in to the driveway. Okay, round 2 of the MaxPeedingRods COILOVERs. If you guys watched the first ones, we had issues with the top strut mount on here. These Allens are actually bottoming out on the strut tower, not allowing us to install these coilovers. Well, got with MaxPeedingRods and they sent me these updated ones. Obviously, it's not the same color, but these are the ones we need. These don't have the Allens on top that's gonna keep us from installing them, so I just need to install them now. What I'm gonna do is actually I'm just gonna unpreload the spring from here. So I'll loosen this and then I'll loosen this one down to make the tension off the spring, off the strut mount, and then go ahead and remove this nut, which is a 13/16, put the new one on, and that is it. We'll go get ready to install it. Derek's getting the car ready. He's about to take the tire off, and by that time he should be ready. Alright, once you take the tension off the top, there's no more tension on the top strut mount. We can go ahead and loosen it up. That off. Go one. Slide the new one on. So, grab our nut. And that's it. Tighten it back up, and then we'll get ready to put it back on. Should be pretty simple. What we gotta do is just remove the lower bolt from the lower fork.
Yep. 17 on the bottom, 14 up top.
There we go.
Look at that. Goes off real easy.
Butter.
The right way. Gentle. Slowly back it out.
Yes.
Boom.
Damn, that thing slid right off.
I know.
Like butter.
Hot.
Yeah, it's hot.
There you go.
That was it.
All you gotta do is take the top ones off.
So now all we gotta do now is just loosen up the top nuts.
Last one.
One.
Go ahead and try to grab it. Hold it up.
Hold it up while you loosen up the last one.
Yeah. Oh. Alright. So it's gonna come down and the spring's gonna hit this right here. Right on the knuckle. So the way to do that without having to take all this apart is to lift up on the whole knuckle.
Lift the knuckle up?
Yeah, lift the knuckle up. It'll give enough room for the spring to slide down and out the strap.
This way?
Yep.
So pry bar works or help with the...
Slide it right in there on the frame. Pick up on it.
It's 11:30 already. Yeah, it's already 11:30. Alright. Gonna go in the same way it came out.
So you get it straightened up in there. Should be somewhat like that. Try not to scratch it.
Try not to scratch it all up.
Yeah. There you go.
Ooh, yeah. So now we can slide the fork back in, put it all back together the same way we just took it off, right? Basically.
Absolutely. Just slide it back in there. Make sure you have this the right direction.
Facing.
Yep. The
curve.
inside curve goes that direction. Get toward the inside.
Then you'd be fighting all the weight too, huh?
Yep. You're fighting everything.
Makes sense. Impact tight, right?
Yep. Impact tight. Don't over torque them though. They will break. Oh, look at that.
Right there.
Oh, that's
Never too early. Alright, so we're actually going to do both passenger sides and then lower it down to kind of compare it to the driver's side. Kind of give you guys a before and after comparison. Back's pretty simple. Well, is it simple?
Not as simple as the front, I'll tell you that right now. So, the one big thing that's going to be is this sway bar link and this bracket that holds the sway bar link. That has to come out of your way.
The whole bracket has to come out of the way?
Yep. So you got to disconnect the sway bar link right here and then unbolt the bracket. which will come out when you take out the strut.
Okay. Alright, once you disconnect the sway bar end link, we went ahead and removed the lower strut bolt, which is a 17mm. Just comes out this way. Went ahead and unbolted the last 14mm bolt that holds the bracket for the sway bar end link right here. And then our strut should be loose. We gotta come up in the car. There is a 10mm nut between the cushion and this little pillar that goes right here. So you gotta remove that 10mm out, remove the cushion, and the two bolts are right here. There's a 14 there and a 14 on the back. And then the whole strut should come out.
Perfect.
Cool.
So easy, it was like 5 seconds.
Slid in the coilover like nothing, no problems. The backside was pretty simple. We're gonna put the wheels back on and see where we're at as far as the height. We need to go up or down, right?
Oh yeah.
I'm sure I'm gonna adjust it a little bit. Right.
Oh, we're definitely doing.
Alright, we got the wheels back on and we did our final adjustments. The back we left alone because actually it's actually pretty good where we left it. We're at about an inch between the wheel and the fender. And we had to do a little bit of adjustment on the front to match a little bit of the rear compared to the other side on the driver's side where we haven't put coilover. He has like what? This is like a 2 fingers versus monster truck style gap over here. You can put a whole fist. You can fist it. You literally fist it on this side. You fist the whole side on that side. So yeah, pretty big difference. We're gonna go ahead and also do the driver's side now to make it match. So yeah, and then we'll go take it for a ride. I need to look up actually to see the adjustability as far as the damping goes on these. Whether right is all the way stiff and left is all the way soft. I'm not sure. These are 26, 24 way adjustable, front and back. So I looked it up while Derek goes ahead and installs the back, or at least the other side. I'm gonna go inside and eat some pizza. Alright guys, so once you get the height where you want it on your coilover and the height looks great, we can go ahead and do the final tightening down on the actual rings here. And what you're gonna want to do is you want to grab your spanner wrenches that are supplied in the kit. You grab both of them here, and you're gonna want to lock this one down all the way down and tighten it down. And the top one, you're gonna want to hold the top one with one like this, so you don't mess with the preload. And then with the other one, as you hold the top one, you grab the other one with the other spanner wrench and you tighten it up. So you basically are tightening them together so they don't spin. And that'll be it. Go ahead and put the wheel back on. So go ahead and do that now. It's really good. Alright, let's see how they feel. Dude, it looks good. It's perfect. Now, let's see how it rides. We have it all the way turned to the right, which I'm assuming it's full stiff.
Right.
So.
It should be good. I think it was too soft with it all the way the other direction.
Yeah, so we did it all the way right.
I don't need no alignment. Look at that. Perfect. Just dead straight.
Alignment for what? It's not gonna wear any tires out.
Yeah, it's only $700 Michelin tires.
No noise, that's good.
Yeah.
No crazy
It rides smooth.
rattling, nothing to lose, so. Alright guys, just came back from the little ride around the block here, and actually they ride pretty good. They're not bouncy at all. I was really worried about them being really bouncy, but they ride really nice for how low it is and for being MaxPeedingRods COILOVERS. Some people say they ride bad, but man, these actually ride really good. And the car looks really good. He was talking about the gap being about the big as that F-250 there. He had a big gap, as you saw before, guys. I could fist this stupid thing, and now it's no way. And it actually rides really good. Now I just need an alignment, and he's gonna get some new wheels, and it's gonna be looking really good. But yeah.
Detail it up real nice.
Hell yeah, looks really good.